All right, we have this amazing under the desk elliptical machine. This thing is great for while you're working or just even while you're sitting, watching TV, whatever. I gotta be careful of I can't make any health claims for my Amazon, any videos on Amazon. So, but let's just say this is amazing. It's very portable. As you can see, this handle right here. It's also got this nice little mat underneath it for the anti-slip and to keep everything nice and protected. The pedals are also, they've got an anti-slip vibe. If you want, you can attach these straps to the pedals to hold your feet in place if you really need to do that. I have it on the lowest setting right now. Everything also can be run with this remote right here. I'm gonna run it for the video, but I'm on the lowest setting right now. If I wanna raise it, you just press speed. Second setting. Let's go all the way up to the highest setting so you can see it. 10th setting, and it's doing it. So it's doing that. Now I can also switch directions on all the different speeds. So let's just switch the direction right there. And again, I can do this all from the remote. So now it's going backwards. So that's pretty sweet. And as it does that, it's running through. Right here, it's running through. It's doing a scan. So it shows how long you've been using it, the time, shows the distance, shows the speed, shows the counter, which means how many pedals you've done. So I've done 117 so far. Then the next thing it shows is the calories. So that's amazing. It also has different modes. So you got P1, 2, 3, 4, or sorry. So 3 different modes, and they can also all be preset with whatever you want them to be set with. So that's amazing. This thing is awesome, and I highly recommend it to you.